Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. Ever hear that expression? Forget about it. I know that's an East Coast accent that they always use. And instead of saying forget about it, they say forget about it. Like it's all one word. But it means a lot of things. What's it mean to you? To me, when something is upsetting, you don't want it to get you too upset, you just say forget about it, we'll take care of it. It means don't worry about it, we'll figure it out. Or if someone asks you for a favor, you can say forget about it, which means don't you worry, I got your back, I'll take care of you. Forget about it. And it's a great way to look at things. It's a great way to live your life. Not that you're not going to work hard to make sure you remove roadblocks and set goals and work to attain them. But when things go wrong, which they will, because we're human beings and we make a lot of mistakes, just say forget about it. Which means I'm going to learn from that mistake and I'm not going to let it ruin my day, and I'm going to move on. Right now my wife and I are going through some challenges with her mother, who's got sicknesses that we're trying to deal with. And it's not like we're ignoring them. In fact, we're working our butts off to make everything okay. And we have to say forget about it. And by that I mean we can't let it eat us up day to day, hour by hour. We have to live our lives. We have to finish our jobs. We have to do everything that you need to do in life and not just focus on one thing, and that's a sick parent. Forget about it. But the other thing you need to do, and what forget about it means, is you're taking care of business. You're just not letting it worry you. You're calling the doctors. You're setting up the health care. You're removing the roadblocks. You're helping with diets and exercise and meal plans. Forget about it. That means that doesn't mean I'm not doing anything. It means I got it covered. So try to live your life by saying forget about it, but understand what that really means. That means don't let it bug you. Don't let it detract you. You got it somebody's back, and you're taking care of business. Think about that one, huh? I like that one. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. And don't forget about that. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.